Hey kids! Today we're gonna go to the camping trip.
Yeah, and
Wait for me.
I'm gonna play my iPad.
So get ready in the classroom. Here, go to the toilet and get ready in there.
Could you please wait me? I forgot my backpack.
You can get ready in the bathroom. You can go to the bathroom. Let's go.
Wait.
Okay, you can go to the bathroom to change your clothes. Oopsies.
But I'm just wearing my backpack.
I finished.
You can wear your backpack inside the bathroom.
I already finished, I said.
Here, so get ready inside this room.
Wait, I need to go to pee. Please.
Yes. Okay, I'm finished dressing up. Are you ready, Natkin?
Yes.
Let's go.
Our teacher?
Yes? I'm my teacher.
Yes. Wait. Could you please wait? I'm
To the bath, Natkin.
wait. Okay, finish. Oh, where are you?
I'm on the bath. Come.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. What a nice day.
I put up the flashlight so you can see, bus driver.
Let me get them flashlight.
Wait, what happened to my car?
What?
We just put flashlight. Sorry.
Wait, why do you put flashlight?
So you can see.
No, thanks. I can literally drive well.
It's okay.
Well, I found something.
Huh? Something antique?
What is this?
What
Let's
is-
find it. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, let's go.
What is this?
Oh, I heard it. It's from the old abandoned home named Mr. Brookhaven.
Oh my gosh. I
I
love
think
it.
Mr. Wolfpack is his friend. Okay, so it's just abandoned. So let's just continue our camping trip.
Let's go, guys.
Ow.
Don't put the flashlight, okay?
Can you?
Hurt my hand.
Oh, I'm gonna.
People, don't put the flashlight in that can.
I don't put it.
That can, don't put the
Okay.
flashlight. Wait.
Ow. Checking with something. Sorry.
Oh, I'm lagging.
What's up, Black? You're silly.
We are nearly at the camping trip.
No.
Here, I saw Lake Madison. There. Hi, there's Lake Madison. With a wow, there's a camping area.
Okay, let's get some.
Yeah.
That is not a camping area over there.
Oh, we can get marshmallows from here.
Yeah, let's park our car here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody, put your own tent. I'm gonna put my tent here.
Let me get some fishing.
I'm gonna put my tent over. Wait, it's a Brookhaven hot spring.
Let me get my
Oh
own
my
tent.
gosh.
Wait, I'm okay. Okay, wait, what?
Let's put our sleeping bag together
Okay.
so we are not dangerous about this. I'm not worried.
Wow, my tent looks nice.
Yeah.
Wait.
I already put my tent now.
My one is black.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna get some fishing.
No.
I'm gonna put my tent near to you, Nico.
No.
Oh, I'm at the hot spring. Ha, silly me. Ah, it's a nice fishing net, Ken.
Us.
What?
So let's go to the next camping place.
No.
This place is nice.
No, but I want to go over there.
Fine, let's go. Let's move. Let's go, Natcan.
No. I didn't want to lock.
Come on, Nathan.
Fine.
I'm at the front seat.
My name is not Nadkin.
Yes, your name's Nadcan.
Nope. My name.
We're moving to another place. Okay, we are finally at the camping area.
Hi. Teacher, I don't want to eat the marshmallows.
So don't eat. There's a campfire. It's really dangerous, Nadcan. Here, let me cook for you.
I know how to cook because I'm a child.
So let me go fishing, Nadcan.
Don't worry.
Are you guys gonna fish?
Yes.
Let me cook something.
But where's
can-
the fishy?
Here, this is Lake Madison.
Where's the fish? I don't see any.
After 1 hour. Okay, let's go back home. We didn't catch any fish. How sad.
I just find some food to cook.
Brrr.
There's another campfire, Nadcan.
Why is this open? I have some burger.
Burger. We can eat it at lunch. Nadcan, lunchtime, Nadcan.
I just on the fire.
And I got some bubble tea.
Nadcan! Oh no. I should get rid of the fire.
Guys, here is it.
Here, Nadcan, don't worry.
Let's take him hard to the hospital.
She just burned down. I will get rid of the fire. Okay, I got to go to the hospital. This is really important. Oh, I'm stuck. This bird is pretty big.
Where's Natcan?
Oh,
Natcan just fall down.
let's go.
Where's Natcan is so mean there? I'm gonna put him from the sofa. Are you okay, Natcan?
Yeah, oh, Chris.
How the car just moved?
Uh-huh. Hey, wait for me.
Oh, sorry, Nasty. Then where's Natcan?
She's in the bus.
Oh, she's under the bus.
Yeah, she's under the bus. I can't.
She's under the bus.
Wait, I can't do anything. Wait.
Beep, 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 beep. Brr. Brr.
Okay, I'm here now. I'm sitting in the toilet.
Let's go, guys. It's so mean. Let's go take Too Hard to hospital.
Oh, there's someone there. Oh, hi.
Hi, Ducky.
Come in. Are you gonna come in today?
Yeah. Here's the new. Here, wait, doctor!
Yes. Oh,
Here,
what
take
happened? Is that a girl? What happened to her?
I don't even know, but she just died.
What happened to her?
I don't even know. She just caught fire.
Okay. Let's take her.
Well, Mia.
Okay. Let's check her. Boom. Oh no. Oh my gosh.
Yes, what happened? Brr.
I have really bad news.
She died.
Yes, her oxygen is 0.
Yay! Sasileke.
Okay, I need to make her really alive. Down. Give us 10 likes, or we'll do part 2.